This unlucky dolphin fish got tangled in a fishing net left by fishermen, and despite all his efforts, he couldn't get free. Fortunately, a kind-hearted amateur fisherman passing by noticed the dolphin in distress and immediately set out to help. This man thinks he can quickly clean the nets that have entangled the dolphin and set it free. But he is unaware of the surprise that awaits him. After removing the nets from the dolphin, he releases it into the cool waters of the sea, into freedom. But instead of running away, the dolphin followed the kind man as if to say, "Thank you." Bottlenose dolphins are interesting cetaceans that can learn complex tricks due to their high intelligence. These magnificent creatures can reach a weight of 650 kg and a length of 4 meters. Dolphins make very good friends with humans. At this very moment, something completely unexpected happens. The dolphin disappears from sight for a while and then comes back with an object in its mouth. Unbelievable. The dolphin wants to thank the fisherman by giving him the fish he caught as a gift. The intelligence of dolphins is truly amazing. These beautiful moments were the beginning of a lifelong friendship between the intelligent dolphin and the kind-hearted fisherman who saved him. Every time the fisherman sets sail, the dolphin comes to the man and makes him love himself and shows his gratitude to the fisherman. Hey friend, if you enjoyed watching this heartwarming story of friendship, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.